Welcome to a review of the Dell Latitude 7400, the ultimate business 2-in-1 that is still crushing it in 2025. Today we'll dive deep into top 5 most impressive features of this sleek powerhouse. First up, the design of the Dell Latitude 7400 is premium and versatile, perfect for road warriors and hybrid workers. It's all aluminium chassis with diamond cut edge that feels ultra light at just 2.9 pounds. And the 360-degree hinge lets you flip it into tablet mode, tent, and even laptop mode for presentation and note taking. No flex here, it's MIL STD810G tested for drops and spills, so it's built to last without any hinge drama. Let's check out the ports and connectivity. This thing is loaded for pros. On the left hand side, you've got two Thunderbolt 3 ports for ultra fast charging, 4K docking, HDMI 1.4 for easy monitor hookups, plus USB 3.1 Type A. On the right hand side, it rocks another USB 3.1 Type A, a micro SD card reader, a SIM card slot, and a headphone jack. The presence of the SIM card slot means it supports LTE via the Snapdragon X20 for always-on network productivity, so there's no Wi-Fi hunting here. You can use your SIM card to access internet even in the jungle. On the keyboard side, the keys are well spaced, the travel distance is quite okay, making the keys so responsive and efficient for long typing hours, coupled with the presence of backlight on the keys to support typing in dark rooms and conference halls. The trackpad is made of glass, though tiny but very responsive and accurate. Next, the performance. It's powered by Intel Core i7 8665U quad-core processor with vPro for IT management. This beast handles multitasking like a champion. It's paired with 16GB of DDR4 RAM, though not upgradable, and as you can see here, it's written number of chips, but you can still get a similar version of this Dell Latitude 7400 with a 2GB of RAM. Otherwise, it's paired with a blazing 512GB NVMe SSD, and all these factors makes it snappy for office work, Zoom marathons, data analysis, programming, and coding, and not forgetting light editing. It also has an integrated Ultra HD graphics 620 that keeps it cool under load. You can also swipe the SSD for up to 2TB if there's need. Alright, if you're finding this video super helpful so far, smash that like button and save it for your next laptop hunt. Thanks for your support. One standout is the battery life. Up to 18 hours on a single charge with 60 watts power option thanks to its efficient whiskey leg tech and express charge. That means you can be able to charge this laptop from 0 to 80% in just an hour. And work full day, stream Netflix on the commute and still have some juice left. So there's no outlet anxiety here. Security is next level in today's world, and the Dell Latitude 7400 nails it with Express Sign-In. The IR webcam detects when you walk away and locks automatically. Plus, Windows Hello facial recognition and optional fingerprint reader, mainly enclaved on the power button. That combined with the Dell client suite for remote wipes and encryption, your data, it's very safe here. Finally, the display. We have a stunning 14-inch Full HD 1920 by 1080 Infinity Edge touchscreen with narrow bezels that deliver vibrant colors and up to 400 nits of brightness. The screen also has anti-glare coating that kills reflection, and it supports Active Pen for sketching and signing documents. It also crisps for spreadsheets and photo editing, and nonetheless, watching videos all day. In conclusion, the Dell Latitude 7400 is a top-tier 2-in-1 that excels in design, performance, battery, security, and that gorgeous display. It's a reliable, stylish sidekick for pros on a budget. Grab a refurbished one and upgrade away. As always, buying is your choice. Thanks so much for watching. Please follow, subscribe for more tech dives, and don't just buy. Buy smart, secure, and future-proof.